Welcome again, my beautiful people. So, this morning, your girl Leah will be doing some fried dumpling and calaloo, guys. So, here I have my flour, my baking powder. Over here, I have my calaloo. So, stay tuned for that, guys. Yeah, man. So guys, this is how the dough looks. So it is consist of flour, baking powder, salt. I put a little bit of sugar, guys, not for taste but for flavor. You could put a little piece of butter, or you could just put a little cooking oil, or you don't have to if you don't want to. And guys, I'm not doing this morning, but if you use like milk instead of water to make the dough, it tastes real nice, guys. You know, like a biscuit thing, but it tastes good. You could try it one other time. Yes, so this is how it looks, soft. So I'm just gonna leave this about 10 minutes to rise a little, because you know it's breakfast time. I don't have time to let it rise because the kids are hungry. Me too. So I'll see you in a few, guys. And then after that is rising, then I'm just gonna cut up my callaloo, strip it, wash, strip, and cut up, and I'll just take you along. Yes, guys. So guys, I'm about to cut up my callaloo now, guys. I already strip it and wash it, guys. So guys, I finished cut up the callaloo now. So guys, you know, as I said, I already cut up my callaloo. So here all the seasoning, guys. I have my Maggi, my black pepper, my onion, my hot pepper, my garlic, my scallion and thyme, guys. I don't have any tomato, so I'll be using some ketchup. I'm also gonna put a little piece of gold seal margarine butter into it. Yes, guys, and I have my jerk season. And to be honest, guys, I like to add a little MSG to my callaloo. But you don't have to if you don't want to. So here's a calaloo on the fire. So I'm just gonna season now, guys. So guys, this is how it look. So I'm just gonna cover this now and leave it to steam, guys. Alright, so I'm about to start frying the dumpling now. Yes, guys. So yes, guys, this is what is going on. So just gonna, leave those to fry. Let me show you the calaloo, guys. So you can see it good, I mean, I know I'm good camera woman, but it's a bubble to go on, yeah. Yeah, man. You can see the steam and thing, yeah. So, yeah, man, that's what's going on with the calaloo. I'm just gonna cover this back. I turn the fire down, and yeah, man, here I have my dumpling. So yeah, we'll see when it is finished. Yes, guys. So I turn them over now, guys. I think the calaloo is ready. So I'm just gonna leave the calaloo at that for now. Just gonna leave the calaloo at this for now, guys. And yeah, I normally cover my dumplings, guys. That's how I do it. I like it soft. Yes, guys. I'm just gonna turn the fire down and leave that, guys, to soak. So guys, here I'm finished with my breakfast, fried dumpling and steamed calaloo, guys. I hope you enjoy my cooking. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye for now. Bye.